Hey guys, today I'm going to be replacing the battery in a Bluetooth headset. This one is a Skullcandy Bluetooth headset. It's made specifically for Smith helmets, but I'm assuming a lot of the other ones out there are similar. Here's the tag that I pulled off of it, if that helps, for the actual model number and everything. I'll try to put that in the description below. First off, getting the back off of this thing, it's not super difficult. And by the way, I should mention this is my wife's. It was working great for several years, and started only working for about an hour while she was skiing, and had some different problems. You know, it's going in and out on her a little bit, so I decided to change the battery. That in fact did work. And so now I'm going to show you how I did it, but it's already been done. But I'll go through kind of the steps of how I went about doing that. First off, to get the back off, I just used a small screwdriver, and it's kind of not in there perfectly right now, but I just kind of jammed it in here and kind of worked my way around the edge until I finally was able to remove the whole back here. Be careful when you're taking the back off, because there are some wires in there. So just carefully open that up and lay that aside. What we're looking for is this battery right here, and this is the replacement battery. Here's the original battery that came in it. You can get a good look at that. Looks like it's a 210 milliamp hours, if I'm saying that right, 3.7 volts. I looked all over the internet for this exact battery and was unable to find it. I found a lot of similar ones, and this is the one I ended up with. This is actually a 250 milliamp hour battery, and it works great. In fact, you can go bigger than that. You can go up to 300, even 400. So you'll be able to have this thing last for days. The problem is that this is really thin, and the more amp hours you put on there, the thicker this battery becomes. And so I have some trouble now putting this back on. I had to tape it on really tight and a little sketchy, but it works, and that's the point. So you can certainly go with a smaller battery, and I'll also put in the description below of what you need to, of where I found it anyway on eBay. It was pretty cheap. It was like $7-8 or something. So I figure I could try that, and if it didn't work, it's not the end of the world. So really, all you need to do with a soldering iron, you just need to remove these two leads coming off the battery, the black and the red. And when you do that, the bottom side of this is held on there by some double-sided tape. Carefully, just maybe even warm it up with a heat gun. Don't get it too warm or anything, but warm it up a little bit, and then slowly pry it off, and it'll come off just fine. And then take your new battery and solder the leads back on there. I just used some gaffers tape, kind of some like duct tape kind of thing that's holding it on there, and it's not going anywhere. But certainly some double-sided tape would probably work even better. I just didn't have any. Anyway, solder those leads back on there, and put it back on and charge it up, and you should be good to go. It's as simple as that. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Thank you very much.